This is the new truck we're thinking about buying that we went and looked at today. It's a Dodge Ram 1500. And anyway, we went and looked at it today at the dealership. And we're thinking about buying it, so we went ahead and took it home. I'm gonna open it on up here. Let's get inside. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Well, I just turned it on. I think it looks pretty nice. I believe it's a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, so pretty nice. Listening to a little Sam Hunt on here. Raised on it. I just came out here tonight, seeing how the truck looked, seeing how it felt. Just, thinking, wondering if I like it. And so I just came out here and looked at it tonight. We went and we were at the dealership for quite a while. So right now it's Toby Keith. God loves her. God loves her. I don't know if I've ever heard that. Anyway, I just pretty much came out here to see what it looked like. But at the beginning of this day, I weed-eated and I showed you all that, and then I went to the dealership, which I never showed you any of that. And this was the truck we were looking at. So I'm just kind of showing you what it looks like in here. Since I didn't get to show you at the dealership, but then I came home and just messed around on the computer, which you've already seen those clips. So I got the keys out, so I'm going to go ahead and get on out. I think it looks pretty nice. This may be my future truck. Who knows? Alright guys, we're going to drive a little in my maybe future truck. It's clear. We're going to see if we can parallel park this. Alright, how do we do over there? Maybe a few feet. Not too bad, I guess. We're gonna see if we can do a little bit better job on the parallel parking. Looks
pretty
like
good.
3 feet.
Looks pretty good. Bye.
Hey guys, just took a little test drive in the Ram 1500. Hey guys, it's Country Boy here, and I'm outside fishing. I've been fishing for probably an hour or 45 minutes, and in the meantime I haven't caught anything. I've been using 2 spin casters during the time that I have been fishing, and one of them has a hook with a little just a little bait on the end, and then the other one has a treble hook with just like a treble hook jig, but neither one of them have helped me catch anything. I fished a little bit more, probably 15 minutes since the last clip that I made, and well, I just haven't caught anything, so I'm going to head on in. Or I don't know if I'm really going to head on in, but I'm just going to quit fishing for right now. I actually stayed even longer than that. Actually stayed another 30 minutes after the 15 minutes that I said, this is, I'm going to quit. I ended up staying 30 minutes after that and fishing, changed the jigs and lures on my 2 spin casters, but still didn't help, and I didn't catch any fish. I might fish when I get back from church, but I'm not sure. I might just ride my 4-wheeler or do something, but I'll probably, vlog a little bit more after church. So, see you then. Guys, I'm back out here today showing you the Dodge Ram 1500, just because it was a little dark out when I showed you it last night and you couldn't even probably see it. But I'll get back here a little bit. That's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a 2017 model Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter. Let's show you the inside here. And it's also got, a second row of seats. The bed looks pretty nice. It doesn't have a bed liner, but hey, that can do, right? I still think it looks nice. This will be the side I'm always getting in on. Just kidding. But I like it. I actually test drove it today, which you guys have already seen. Hey guys, I just got up on top of this hill. I rode my 4-wheeler up here, and I'm going to finish out the vlog here more than likely. And I was going to show you what the view looked like. I think the pond looks pretty cool from up here, and so does the sky and the view of all the hills. Which I'll show you them in just a second, but I just thought it looked pretty cool, so I was going to show you. And my neighbor, he's burning something over there. You can see it right there. The top right. But anyway, I'm going to show you what the sky looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. So, tell me, what do you all think it looked like? Pretty cool or not? Comment in the comment section. What I also want you guys to comment is whether or not you all like the vlogs, or you would just like to see me do a video about each individual thing instead of putting them just like all together, like what I do in a day. Or do you want me to take a separate day and just do that like all day and show you like a whole hunting video? It'd be longer, but it would just take longer for the videos to come out, probably, because if I'm doing it a whole day, then I wouldn't do it after school and things. It'd have to be on the weekends. So tell me what you all think in the comments. While I was up here, the view actually changed from what I showed you last, so I'm going to show you that right now. It's gotten a little bit like more bright, like the sun's almost showing. It made the clouds like a lighter color. I thought it looked pretty cool. And there's the pond. I thought that was pretty neat how the view changed up on the hill within maybe 5 or 10 minutes. What I was trying to get across earlier, just in case you all didn't understand, was do you want me to keep doing vlogs, or do you want me to switch over into a different type of video, like just where the videos will be just about hunting or just about fishing or just about riding my four-wheeler, or do you want it to be like a vlog and just show what I do throughout the whole day? So tell me in the comments. I don't know if it's just me, but I think I need to start talking a little bit more in my vlogs. But I will have to say, this vlog has been pretty action-packed, just like me doing a lot of different things. So I hope you all like that, actually. Putting on and off my sunglasses, but anyway, what I was trying to say was, well, this vlog has been pretty action-packed, so I hope you all like that. That's what I was pretty much getting at, but I think I just like recording, and, you know, sometimes you just mess up, so I just redid it. Well, this vlog has been just about all over the place. I hope you all liked it. If not, like I said, just tell me in the comments. Tell me to do a video for each one of the things I did in this video, not just one vlog, if you don't like it. But if you do, just say, keep doing vlogs if you want to. Just type that in the comments. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go on in. See you guys later. Well, anyway, I hope you all liked this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy.